Hey, what's going on? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Kenwood AM/FM radio to show you. The model number is KT-42B. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Do you know when the first radio broadcast happened? It happened in 1916. So radio shows have been around for a very long time, but let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have all of your antenna connections right here, and then your audio output. To connect it, you'll plug in your audio cable, and then your antenna, and then your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can power it on and get a signal. And on the front panel, you have your power button right here, and then your memory button, so you can set your presets. And then you have all of your presets right here. You can set up to at least 6. And then over here you can switch between AM and FM radio. And then you have your tuning buttons right there. That's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood AM/FM stereo. If you want to order it, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.